How do you find video ideas that your viewers will really love? I mean, you could just guess, right? But the result would not be very good. You could ask experts, but they will give you generic advice, not actual video ideas that really fit your channel. In the end, what matters are your viewers, and their interests are the important piece here. So if you make videos just for them, then they will obviously enjoy them, right? And the good thing is, your viewers already tell you what they want to watch. It's in their comments. And before you ask what to do if you don't have any comments, I have a solution for that. Let me first show you a free tool that I built for you that really helps you a big deal here so that you don't have to read all the comments, but let an AI extract the relevant feedback from the comments for you. First, let me pick one random channel from my comments here, Yours to Source, which is a travel vlog. And to get a good amount of comments, I go to the videos and select the most popular ones. All right, let me copy the video link. And now we go into the free tool and paste the video link here. By the way, link to the free tool in the description and the pinned comment. So what the tool does now is to give you a prompt that you can use to get the feedback. All right, let's copy that and paste it into ChatGPT. And the AI is now citing the comments that are relevant and explains a little bit what the feedback is here. So obviously the viewer wanted to know more the exact location of the temple that was in the video. Same thing, by the way, with this comment. Viewers felt that important follow-up questions were missing. By the way, the video was about interviewing an Indian priest. So what the feedback tells us is that people were really engaged into that and wanted to know even more than was covered in the video at this point. So in order for this channel to deliver even more to their viewers, it's a really good idea for this channel to make even more interviews with spiritual people and ask even deeper questions. So, as you can see, it's a really quick and easy way to know more about where to go with the next videos on a channel. And of course, back to the question, if you have a small channel and don't have enough comments yet, then think about this. You want direct feedback from your viewers, but your viewers don't just watch your own channel. They also watch many other channels in your niche. And on those other channels, they share feedback as well. So it's easy. You just go to the other big channels in your niche and analyze their comments in the same way. Since they have the same audience that you want to have on your channel as well, the feedback they give over there applies to your channel in the same way. And by the way, this is what the third bonus step in the free tool is all about. Analyzing the feedback on other channels in your niche is not only something that you have to do if you don't have comments yourself. It's also a good idea to do that even if you have many comments, because there's even more feedback on the other channels in your niche. And Morningfame helps you pick the other videos to analyze. It automatically groups similar videos together. You just pick one video group that you are interested in. For example, here about the YouTube Shorts algorithm. You go to the next step. And in here, those similar videos are listed. You click a button and then it gives you those feedback comments just like that. For example, here, what is the optimal short length? So you can heart what you would like to include in your future videos. Simply go from one video to the next. Here, for example, someone directly talks about, please talk about the niche of producers, artists on shorts. So you can heart everything that inspires you for your next video. Really a very quick way to collect all the info. And of course, remember, the free tool that I linked in the description and the pinned comment allows you to enter any video link. So you can extract the feedback in the comments from any video that you would like. And I recommend to do it for your own videos as well as those videos on other channels in your niche. All right, subscribe for more free tools like the one I just showed you or this one. Cheers, my friends.